Welcome. Today, we're diving into Formstack, a versatile cloud-based platform designed to streamline data collection and management processes. With Formstack, you can create forms, documents, and signatures without any coding knowledge. It's used by businesses of all sizes across multiple sectors, including healthcare, education, and marketing. It's a fully customizable solution that can integrate with over 40 web applications, making data collection, storage, and analysis incredibly convenient and efficient. Formstack is packed with powerful features. Its intuitive form builder allows you to create professional forms quickly. You can automate workflows, collect online payments, and use conditional logic to create personalized experiences. Formstack also offers robust analytics tools so you can track and measure performance. One standout feature is Formstack's HIPAA compliance, which ensures sensitive health information is securely handled. Moreover, with its seamless integrations, you can connect Formstack with your favorite tools like Salesforce, Google Sheets, or MailChimp. Formstack offers four pricing tiers. The bronze plan is $19 per month and includes basic features like unlimited forms and surveys. Next up is the silver plan at $59 per month, adding integrations and payment collection. The gold plan at $99 per month includes workflow automation and approval workflows. Lastly, the platinum plan at $249 per month offers priority support and Salesforce integration. Each plan comes with a 14-day free trial, so you can test before committing. Formstack can be a game changer in several scenarios. Educational institutions can use it to streamline student registrations and surveys. Healthcare providers can utilize its HIPAA-compliant forms for patient intake or consent forms. If you run an e-commerce business, Formstack can handle order forms and payments. Nonprofits can use it for volunteer signups and donation collections. It's also perfect for event management with features to handle registrations, feedback, and payment collection. Formstack offers several benefits. Its user-friendly interface allows you to create forms without any coding skills. The wide range of integrations makes it a versatile tool that fits seamlessly into your existing workflow. Its data collection and analytics capabilities help you make data-driven decisions. And Formstack's commitment to security, especially with HIPAA compliance, ensures your data is in safe hands. Plus, the flexibility of its pricing plans makes it accessible to businesses of all sizes. Despite its many strengths, Formstack has a few downsides. The platform can be a bit overwhelming for beginners due to its extensive features. While it's great that Formstack offers many integrations, some users have reported difficulties in setting them up. Also, some users have pointed out that Formstack can get expensive, especially for small businesses or startups. Lastly, while Formstack offers a wide range of templates, they are not as customizable as some may prefer. In conclusion, Formstack is a robust and versatile data management tool. Its strengths lie in its user-friendly interface, extensive integrations, and powerful analytics capabilities. However, it may not be the best fit for everyone due to its potentially overwhelming range of features and somewhat steep pricing. As with any tool, it's essential to consider your specific needs and budget before making a decision. So, let's review. Formstack is an excellent tool for data collection and management, offering a variety of features like form building, workflow automation, and data analytics. It's highly customizable and integrates with many popular web applications. However, it may be overwhelming for beginners and can get expensive. It's crucial to evaluate your needs and make the most of the 14-day free trial before deciding if Formstack is the right fit for you. Thank you for watching this analysis of Formstack. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. We'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences with Formstack, so feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more and have a great day.